Hi there, I'm Luis, CEO of RootLo and one of the founders. And today we are going to explain you how we are humanizing remote work. All the founder team have been working remote for many years now, and we started this project in 2017. So far, we stay in our community in more than 200 cities, and we have almost 50,000 people that is registered to this project that we have been working on. What is our goal? Improve the quality of life of remote workers. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about quality life and let's talk about experience. Have you seen this picture? This is the reflection of the last 12 months of employee experience in any company around the world. First, we used to work in an office looking at a TV, so we could totally work remote, but we didn't know. So then COVID came. We need to learn how to live and work in the same place, racing or having our normal life. We did it, we got it. Then companies decide, hey, no, let's come back to the office. People is missing to be at the office, people is missing people. But wait, let's come back to the office with 6 feet distance, with mask. And if someone of your team is going that day, you can go. And the latest one is this one is companies are talking, hey, we are going to be hybrid, we are going to be remote, we are not going to be neither hybrid or remote. Some days you come, some days no. A lot of confusion everywhere, and that is just affecting the employee experience. Today, in this new world, employee experience is the first KPI that drives companies. Why employees are changing companies? They are looking for experience. And why? Because remote work is not always sunshine and rainbows. It's not just a cool thing to travel and working from anywhere you are. It's everything that is around that. And companies are wondering how they can keep employees engaged with their culture when they are not in the same building. And the employees are thinking how to socialize and how to have a different life outside of work when everything is digital. So we create the solution. We decide to recreate all those moments where meaningful relationships were created at the office on a virtual place in this experience platform that we create for companies. You will find features like an interactive employee directory that is basically think Google Maps for just the workforce. You can see where is everybody distributed, what is everybody doing, what areas they are, and even more important, we create an algorithm that is telling you who is a like-minded person inside of your company and anywhere they are located. Additionally to that, all this algorithm is based in personalities, in interests, because we want to recreate those social moments where you build a friendship relationship with someone of you, with some of your peers at the office. Those are the moments that are lost, and that's what is affecting collaboration. You are just talking with your peers for a work-related situation, and what happened when you used to do it for a more personal situation. Additionally to that, and because we have been working remote for many years, we also create an ecosystem that every remote worker have access to co-working space, cafes, gym, local host, everything you need as a remote worker. We put it together. We are offering this in our product. Right now, I don't have time to pitch the product, but I will send you the link so you can check it out. This is where we are distributed around the world. We are almost in 200 cities, and the important here is that we create this tool to help to create happier employees, because we know that a happier employee is going to be more engaged with the culture of the company, and that's what drives corporations. Right now, this is a pretty new space. You see big corporations here in communication like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and all of these, and also in the satisfaction side, other corporations that are trying to help companies to measure the satisfaction of the employees. But that is based in polls. That is based in service to the employees. We are creating a new design that is an experience platform to improve the day-a-day of any remote worker that work in your company. This is what we have been doing for the last 4 years. We started in 2017 as a travel agency for remote workers. Then we moved to a matching app where we're trying to match like-minded digital nomads around the world. And then we went to an accelerator program here in Colorado. That accelerator program in 2019 showed us that the business or the best way to grow wasn't the digital nomad, wasn't the B2C, was corporations. Because even before COVID, already some companies started moving in this way to work. So we reformulate our product, we reformulate the way to show it. Then COVID came, so it was really good for us because we found a lot of testers, a lot of pilots, a lot of champions that helped us a lot to build the right solution. And today we have the product built, the team built, and we are just ready to go and try to take the market. This is the way that we monetize. We're an enterprise SaaS company, so we have monthly and annually plans for companies, and also we are expanding our RootLo community on the B2C. What we expect in the future, have enough community to start generating also revenue for that side. This is our team. We believe in what we do. We have 100% diverse time distributed all around the world. We all have one thing in common, is we all knew very early in our careers that remote work was the most optimal way to work. We are looking for 300,000. This money is going to be used for go-to-market strategy. We identify who is our ICP, and we know how to go and get it. We just need the resources to go and find it. And yeah, this is RootLo. I'm so excited to be participating here. We are back for the biggest tech companies around the world, and yeah, happy to be here, and I hope you guys like the product. Thank you.